In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chromebook web browser if it's not already open. And then you want to select the menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select Settings. Select on the left side where it says Search Engine, and then select the Change button. You can adjust it from the list here and then select Set as Default. And you can also manage search engines and site search by selecting the second option down here. And you can adjust which options are even available for you. And you can also add additional site searches still. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.